If you want to scan documents on the Realme GT 7T, what you have to do is use the camera. Once you open the camera, we can go to More section, and then over here we have the dock scanner. So let's turn it on. Now we can start scanning our document. Especially if you have multiple pages, that's convenient because first we can capture a photo of every page, and then we can summarize it. So first, I'm just gonna take one photo over here. There we go. And after that, if you add a page, you will have the summary over here, or the preview on the left side. And of course, next photos will add next pages. Once you are done, press next, and then you should be able to have this summary. Of course, you can still crop it. Sometimes it does a little bit of a better job. Sometimes we have to manually adjust it, but let's say that it should be something like this. So then you can press done, save, and then we can either save as a PDF file or as an image. I'm gonna save it as PDF. And that's pretty much it. In this case, I also need to allow the app to have access to all files so that it can save it. But there we go, here is our document. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.